It's 2026, and the world of online earning has completely transformed. If you're still trying to make money using methods from 2018, you're already behind. YouTube automation has changed. Freelancing has been taken over by AI, and traditional side hustles, they're becoming obsolete. Today, I'm not going to give you the same old recycled advice. Instead, we are going to uncover the actual secrets to generating $50 to $100 daily in this new digital era without showing your face and without spending a single penny. Welcome to the future of financial freedom. Welcome to Digital Dinar, a silent earner. This is the very first video on this channel, and my mission is simple: to make online earning in 2026 accessible to everyone. Whether you're a student, a 9-to-5 worker, or someone looking for a side income from home, I'm here to show you exactly how it's done. On this channel, we focus on three things: efficiency, privacy, and results. We will dive deep into AI automation, silent content creation, and passive income streams that work while you sleep. No fluff, no fake promises, just real, actionable methods. Let's be real, making money online in 2026 isn't just about hard work anymore. It's about smart work. The competition is higher than ever, but so is the opportunity. While AI is replacing old jobs, it's creating brand new wealth for those who know how to control the tools. On this channel, we don't fear the AI revolution, we lead it. So, what is the silent strategy? We target three high-growth areas. First, AI-driven content services. I'll show you how to use advanced prompts to create professional videos and designs in minute services that people used to pay thousands for. Second, faceless video automation. We'll explore how to build massive audiences on YouTube and social media without ever showing your face or even using your own voice. And third, digital asset flipping. We will build simple, free digital products that act as 24/7 money-making machines. In the coming weeks, I'm going to put these methods to the test. We'll challenge earning apps to see which ones are real and which ones are scams. We'll build channels from scratch and show you the live results. My goal is that by the end of every video, you have a clear plan to take action immediately. The 2026 digital gold rush is here. If you're ready to build a legitimate online business in total silence, then join me on this journey. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our very first tutorial dropping in the next few days. Comment below. Which skill do you want to learn first: AI, video creation, or YouTube automation? Let's build something great together. Thanks for watching Digital Dinar. I'll see you in the next one.